Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also doing great. So today I'm going to make a video about my village. So let's get it started. I'm in morning walk. As you can see, it's a foggy morning. You can't see over there anything because of fogs. And if you look at here, then you can see the natural beauty. The straight route to go to Malandoho or Jamalpur, we can go by this road, and you can see the cutting of paddy has already been finished by the farmers. Most respected person in my opinion, because they're doing great job for us. If I want to show you the beauty of my village, then you can enjoy together. So let's begin. And it's totally foggy morning. The cows are chewing dry leaves. So you can see by this road I can go to my house. And when I walk by this road, I enjoy a lot. And I'll be glad to know by this road we were used to go to our primary school at Alairpar. We were busy in this road. Okay. So, how do you enjoy your village life? You can let us know by commenting on this video. You can get this feeling from your city life or town life. If I zoom my video, then you can see hags and cocks are eating their necessary foods from this land. Okay, this is a small pond. Okay, here our Nagara village Gorustan, where the kind person take initiative and they donated their lands for human beings for their family. And from this place our land and property started, and this is the place of us. This is our house. And you can see my father, mother, they're very much busy to do the work. Yeah, the paddy of us, and it has been collected from the land, and it will be ready very quickly. And this is our collection. Okay, the most beautiful thing of my village is this pond, because it lies between the two parts of our village and houses. And here and on the bank of this canal my house is situated. So I'm lucky to show you guys. And this is the road beside my house.